Now, let's apply the system thinking approach to evaluate two contrasting development examples in India. First, in a state in the north of the country, Uttar Pradesh, an international NGO launches a capacity-building program to strengthen local NGOs working in humanitarian assistance. 7 NGOs working in disaster response from different regions are targeted for support over 5 years. The NGO provides these local organizations with high-quality assistance in financial management, strategy development, and disaster risk reduction. At the end of the 5 years, each of the 7 local NGOs improve their work. Meanwhile, a program in southern India, in Tamil Nadu, also starts a 5-year humanitarian assistance capacity building program. But instead of targeting 7 local organizations, the international NGO decides to first learn about the existing humanitarian response system. This includes identifying NGOs and government institutions working in early warning, climate change, advocacy, and policy reform, community mobilization, and disaster risk reduction. Through this process, organizations from each of these specialties are identified, receive support, and work together to promote collaboration and skills building. They each make measurable improvements to their work, and through collaboration, they develop some unexpected innovations in humanitarian response in India. Okay, let's think about how we might decide which is the better program, one that leads to real lasting change. First, let's consider a few questions to assess the situation. Is the source of the problem easy to identify? No, we don't know what challenges are inhibiting humanitarian response in Uttar Pradesh or Tamil Nadu. Second, can the problem be solved by experts? No, the solution requires the perspectives and contributions of many people, including experts in disaster response, but also people that have extensive knowledge of the communities where the program takes place. Third, is change required in a limited number of locations and institutions? No, to improve humanitarian response in Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, change is needed throughout the entire state, spanning massive geographical regions and large numbers of diverse institutions. And fourth, can solutions be implemented quickly? No, capacity building of the stakeholders requires a lengthy and iterative process. So, what do you think? Based on the responses to these questions, which program would you choose? Did you bet on Tamil Nadu? So did I. The Uttar Pradesh program could be an effective response if the source of the problem were easy to identify. But it's not. Things always get more complicated when you tackle problems that cut across multiple sectors, geographies, and engage so many different actors. Can you see how applying systems thinking led to a more nuanced response to the problem in Tamil Nadu? Great! Then you're starting to think systematically.